Welcome to my classroom. This is your teacher, Ma'am Sue. So for today's lesson, we will discuss about polynomial function. Polynomial function is a function that can be expressed in the form f of x equals a times x sub n raised to n plus a times x n minus 1 raised to n minus 1 plus ax sub 2 raised to 2 plus a sub 1x plus a sub 0. A polynomial is in standard form if its terms are written in descending order of exponent from left to right. Example, f of x equals 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. So this is in standard form because the exponent is in decreasing order. Simula sa kaliwa papunta sa kanan. Kinakailangang pababa yung ating exponent in order that it is in standard form. The degree is determined by the highest exponent of the variable. Example, f of x equals 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. The highest degree term is 2x cubed. Okay, so ito yung ating highest degree term. Yan, 2x cubed. Okay, so where the degree is 3. Another example, we have f of x equals 2x times the quantity of 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. Okay, so the degree of this polynomial is 3 because if we will take the product, if we will distribute this 2x times 6x squared, that will be equivalent to 12x cubed. So the highest degree term is 12x cubed, where the degree is 3. The leading coefficient in a polynomial is the coefficient of the polynomial with highest degree. So take for example, f of x equals 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. The coefficient of the highest degree term is 2. Thus, the leading coefficient is 2. Okay? So, ito yung may highest exponent natin, 2x cubed. Kaya, ang leading coefficient, yung ating numerical value. At itong 2 ang ating numerical value, kaya yan yung ating leading coefficient. Constant term in a polynomial is the term that does not contain any variable, whole number of the polynomial function. So take for example, we have f of x equals 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. The constant term is 6. So yan. Pag sinabi natin constant, yung number lang, walang kasamang letter. At ito ang ating constant sa ating given na example. Kaya ang constant natin ay 6. Okay? So now you will have an activity. For each polynomial function, you will write the degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant term on the space provided. So, yan. So, yan ang ating given exercises nyo para malaman natin kung naintindihan ba ninyo yung ating tinalakay na degree, leading coefficient, and constant. Okay, so the answer for these exercises we have. Okay, you can check whether your answer is correct. Okay, sana meron kayong natutunan sa bidyong ito. Thank you for watching.